Good evening, everyone. Dumelang Bahaeso. I am Sampa Mufudwezwana and I'll be your host for the 11th Lesotho International Film Festival Awards tonight. And I would like to welcome everyone and also pass on my gratitude thanks to our filmmakers who took time and initiative to produce these amazing films. Please do more than just watch and learn. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of our Board of Trustees, Mr. Don Atkins.
Dumelang Pomele Bondati, dear filmmakers. Thank you for participating in this year's edition of the Lesotho International Film Festival 2021. Your work, your art is powerful and important to our society. You question what is going on in people's lives, in society, and who's responsible. What things do we need to think about? How do we reflect on the changes that we need to inspire people to make in their own lives and in their communities? Film, and especially documentary film, is an important tool that we have to use, and you are the makers of that tool. So we would like to congratulate you, thank you, and look forward to seeing more of your films, and we will endeavor our best to bring them to the audience. Because without an audience, it's difficult to make a film that has an effective career. And your films need to be seen, they need to be thought about, discussed, and let people make their own decisions about what changes they need to be making in their own lives. So we look forward to seeing you next year. Thank you for your work, and Khela.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to pass our most gratified thanksgiving to everyone who participated in this year's Film Festival edition. Entries were flooding in, and we know a lot of people had a lot of things to do with their time, but took initiative to produce these informative films. Now, let's get to our main event. It is important we recognize everyone who took their time and initiative to be part of this year's Film Festival. Our first category for tonight is the Best Short Film Award, and here are the nominees. Tormented. Dear Kim.
Kim.
Lisiga.
Nalisa, anche samorata.
Moshanyana le Muriana.
Ke batla ho potlakela ha malome o se a tukwana o late setlhare sa ka.
Matebele. Setlhare.
Eka wena wa tswa le batho nkolobe. Tshwantse di pudungwana monana nkolobe. Jalo ka jwang ha bo mela nkolobe.
O reng ho nna wena monna Thabo go kgaleme?
A ke re letho.
And Monster.
Nakong ena ya corona, ba re dule hae. Sekolo sa ka se kwetswe. Ha ke sa bona metswalle ya ka. Ke dula hae ke na le baheso. Ke ba rata ho. Empa jwale ke etseng ho na le dikoko le heso.
And now you have seen the nominees. And the winner is Tormented by director Aisha Huele. Congratulations, Aisha and the crew. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to express our sincere thanks to our sponsors and partners. Broad for the World, European Union, Steps for the Future, Alliance Française, Café Watt, and The Hub. Needless to say, this year's film festival is inevitably different from the ones we have had before. But be it as it may, I am pleased to let you know that we have received over 100 film submissions from both our local and international film producers. Now, moving on to our next category, here are the nominees for the Jury Award. Dear Kim,
Wena Kim.
Lesika,
Mela lenyalo. Mela lenyalo.
Nalisa, ha ke sa mo rata.
The Light, and Quarantine.
Jana so tlo di sebedisa ditsi. Se seholo se tlo ja papa ka so. Sena se sense o tla nwa lesheleshele ka so. Le bekere lena o tla nwa tee ka lona. Ebile o tla nwa metsi ka lona. Gabena o tla e sebedisa go ja e. Ga utlwana kere.
Mna lo go tile ona ke na le corona.
And the winner is Dear Kim. Huge congratulations to Dear Kim film director Mr. Habufani for winning such an important award. Congratulations, Mr. Habufani and the crew. The biggest of our Thanksgiving also goes all out to the panel of juries for this film festival selection. Today, it's the night to remember. We know we have long anticipated for this day, but it has come. The anticipation comes with painstaking efforts, sleepless nights of shooting, editing and wishful thoughts, but now have come into reality. So what are we waiting for? Moving to our next category, here are the nominees for the best Lesotho film. Moshanyana le Moriana.
Sheba Tebelo, ke batla o potlakele ha malome ao se atukwana o late setlhare sa ka.
Matebelo, setlhare.
Lalla ruta nkolobe, lalla ruta nkolobe. Eka wena wa tswa le batho nkolobe. Tšatši di pudungwana monana nkolobe. Jalo ka jang ha bomela nkolobe.
O reng ho nna wena monna Thabo ko kgaleme?
Ha ke re letho.
Boyabad. Monster.
Nakong ena ya corona, ba re dule hae. Sekolo sa ka se kwetswe. Ha ke sa bona metswalle ya ka. Ke dula hae ke na le baheso. Ke ba rata ho. Empa jwale ke etseng ho na le dikoko le heso.
Dear Kim.
Wena Kim.
Quarantine.
Jana so tlo di sebedisa ditsi. Se seholo se tlo ja papa ka so. Sena se sense o tla nwa lesheleshele ka so. Lebekere lena o tla nwa tee ka lona. Ebile o tla nwa metsi ka lona. Gabe ena o tla e sebedisa go ja e. Ga utlwana kere.
Nna le go tile ona ke na le corona.
And the best Lesotho Film Award winner goes to Quarantine. Congratulations, Hauhelo Lepema and the entire team behind this wonderful film and winning this important award. Congratulations, crew. Now, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our last award category, the Best International Film. Here are the nominees. From Trash to Treasure.
We are close to the brink of being a failed state.
The biggest problem with the youth in Africa is that we are still slaves mentally. And we really need to break away from that mentality. So I used the song to sort of express my anger.
They never gave us what we deserve. Made us feel like the only thing we could do was to serve.
The unemployment rate is so high that people are turning to the creative arts.
You can express or teach people through art.
The painting teaches about how we should come together as Africans.
If you want to see good things happening, you take the first initiative. It's your responsibility.
These are some of the ladies that I teach how to recycle.
I use my poetry to advocate for things that are close to my heart. We're talking Tupac type of things that have messages.
As long as you think what you are doing is right, you stand for it.
We're all coming together. We want to be proud to be Basotho. From trash to treasure.
Conversation with millennials.
My understanding of Black consciousness is basically one's awareness of the Black experience. And not just that, but also one's identification with the Black experience.
Also, when I think of Black consciousness, I'm reminded of the word African, in the sense that, we're African first before Black, because Black describes, Black is a system. Black and white are part of a system.
I realize that I am so close to God. I am God, so...
Find the very same people being aware of so much in the world without having this machinery or, conventional technology,
But when we have a clear history, when we know exactly where we come from and how we've developed from where we've been, we definitely can get to a better place.
I've learned to realize that we are being taught what they want, what people want.
Black rose, black woes. They see me flexing in my black clothes, black whip, black brim. I find myself drowning in these black drinks.
Days of cannibalism.
Hai moratuwa wa ka haeba o utlwe mona mo utlweng haeba o ka utlwa fela o batla ho kena mehaleng mona kana le mohala wane wa rona 5369 3332 fela na o lakatsa jwang ha o ka bona le China le na le motebo le disa jalo ka Mosotho bana a dula le Lesotho utlwa eka ke ntwe ka bang jwang utlwa eka o tla ba a moetse boemo ba rona kapa o lakatsa jwang ha o ka bona Mosotho ana le wholesale jalo ka le China a tleide a le boemong bo phameng re rata hore bontate ba ma China ke ba tloisia ka ntle ba re rute gona ba etsa di wholesale jwa jwale le gona tla re se ba ruta gona di kgomo di etsa jwang ga ba ruta ntho tsa gona bona bele ba se botse ba bele ga kopana le bona mme jwale ha re ya mo ile ma China he lona he ga rute ba tle ba tsebe le ho ithoka mohloma o ka utlwa le China se le ithoka le bolela ka mogole ka bolelang ka teng e tla be le go kene hantle mo re mo batlang se ke tla molata ntate mo wa le China mona ke mo tshwallaka ke ratle mona re se ya le mo mona ke mo jwetso ga hey ke tla bua se China bekeng ke tla e le bolela ho jwalo he mogatuwa wa ka dintho di jwalo he mmamedi wa Motjodi FM he ke mona ke re tswala pele ho wena hona le mohlankana ke mo ratang haholo na le hlophisa sa Wem o la katella bina le mong rata pineng ena hare Careless Whisper.
It is my greatest of honor to announce the winner for the Best International Film. And the winner is Days of Cannibalism. Congratulations, Mr. Debo Atkins and the crew for producing such an amazing film and winning the most important award. Congratulations to all our award winners for this special virtual celebration. To our loyal social media followers, thank you for streaming, commenting, asking, sharing, liking, and just sticking on this year's Lesotho International Film Festival. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. To everyone, thank you for all watching, participating, commenting, and sharing. Filmmakers, you're also recognized. Thank you for your commitment. We watched the most important and informative educational films this year. We had a really excellent film festival, and we are looking forward to seeing you again next year for more educational films. Special thanks to our partners, sponsors, and for their continued support for this film festival. Tonight's film festival was hosted by Lesotho Media and Development. Thank you, everyone.